Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
3 people are dead and several people injured as a line of severe storms rumbled across the Gulf states tonight. This is video from Pensacola, Florida, where a tornado hit, toppling utility poles and tossing trailer homes. 2 of the deaths were at a Louisiana recreational vehicle park where 160 motorhomes and trailers were pummeled by the strong winds.
Hutch, you've been following this storm.
Yes, it's one of these things that really has shown that it'd be possible over the last couple of days or whatnot. So it's going to be a long night for them. It continues tonight. Let's get to the radar and we'll update you on what's going on right now. You mentioned Pensacola. The tornado actually took out some buildings at a power plant there, so there's power outages in and around the Pensacola area as the storms made their way through. They really focused along the Highway 10 corridor and are moving through the Panhandle area of Florida right now. Here's Destin Beach, Miramar, as this stretches all the way up into Alabama. The blues here are high-definition dual polarization radar data showing very large hail, but active no tornado warnings at this hour, and that is a blessing indeed. But the southeast United States will continue to see strong storms as tornado watches continue until 3 o'clock in the morning, and these storms still show dangerous signs of rotation into the evening. Numerous tornado reports all the way from the Houston area through places in Louisiana, Lake Pontchartrain area, and down in southern portions of the Delta of Mississippi. And look at this, their neighbors to the north in parts of northwest Arkansas. Reports of 3 inches of snow already, and it's getting heavier now along I-49 from Fayetteville through Rogers. And look at this, Branson, Missouri. And check out a show tonight, but you may want to bring the snow shovel because they will likely be getting some snow as well. Our weather, it's cool, but we are not stormy. It's been cloudy for the better part of the day, but the moon making appearance over the FM area as well this evening, so some breaks in the cloudiness. Is 31 in Fargo, Wahpeton 30. We have the mildest air in the Southern Valley. Look at Langdon, 14 degrees. We see cool temperatures north of Highway 2, and this morning in the early hours of the day, anywhere from 1 inch of snow in parts of Kitson County to 6.5 inches of snow between the Roseau and War Road areas today. So they have some cool temperatures on the way because of that fresh snowpack. Upper 20s for much of Lakes Country. Cloudy skies off to the east, but it looks like the snow potential winding down as clear skies make their way into northwest Minnesota and our westernmost counties, even the valley, the Southern Valley, seeing some clearing skies. We do have some snow in the forecast, though. It's making its way through northeast Montana right now. Let's show you the hour-by-hour forecast. Overnight, here's a couple of things to point out. Number one, where we have this fresh snow, War Road, Roseau, all the way out towards Kitson County there, we're going to see temperatures start today in the single digits, not the teens. So you can erase these and pencil that in your mind. Elsewhere, we'll see temperatures in the 20s. And south central North Dakota, possibly even Stutsman County, Dickey and Lemoore counties in our western counties could see a dusting of morning snow showers pass through. By the time we get to the midday hour, this will be pushing south and east. We'll have a chance at some flurries throughout the region in the midday, but the best chance comes later. South winds 5-10 miles per hour. Not too bad out there with temperatures in that 35 to 40 degree range south and east. We'll see temperatures in the low to mid 20s for much of northern Minnesota. I think the model overdoing some of these temperatures where we have the fresh snow. Plus, we could be getting some more light flurries on top of that. As we go through the afternoon, northwest winds come through, and this will initiate some afternoon and evening drive time flurries of snow. So please watch for some slippery road surfaces out there. No significant accumulations more than about 1/2 inch across the valley, but quick shots of slippery snow. 20 to 25 to start our day, warming up about 10 degrees into the mid-30s for the afternoon, with winds becoming shifty late and returning to the north. 20s for our northern counties, a lot of 30s for all of our southern counties, including the Highway 10 corridor in Minnesota and the I-94 corridor and points south in North Dakota. Nick Rail, thank you so much for this awesome sunset. Look at that tree. Wouldn't it look great with leaves on it? It's coming, but not in the next 7 days. 28 cool degrees with north winds, chilling things out a little bit on our Thursday. Friday, we get a nice reward, 40 degrees, but the trees won't bud because we're going right back down to near zero for morning lows late in the weekend and into next week. And a shot of snow, but again, nothing looking too big or bold storm-wise at this point.
And wow, a 40 on there.
40s are good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
We get all kinds of weather around here, so a good set of tires is a necessity. Later on Valley News Live 10 at 10, Consumer Reports has new test results in.
Up next, new concerns about what could lead to the spread of the Zika virus.